What's going on, everyone? This is the quick recap video for our 2-box break of 2013 Topps Series 1. So we'll start off by going over some of the rookie cards and other good base cards. Ramos, Caps, Gregorius, Harper, nice Machado there, Familia, Eaton, Odorizzi, Rosenthal, Jeter, Doolittle, should be over here, Gregorius, Odorizzi, Rizzo Rookie Cup, and then just a couple more rookies here and better base cards. Gregorius, Harper Rookie Cup, Miller, another Machado, Bundy, another Bundy, Miller, Profar, Skaggs, Brock Holt, and then going into some of the inserts, we had the calling cards. We have Chapman, Pujols, another Pujols, Ortiz, Sabathia, Youkilis, Papelbon, and another Youkilis. Then we had some the greats of the game: Yogi Berra, Tom Glavine, Jimmy Fox, and a nice Roberto Clemente. Then we had Chasing the Dream, Bauer, Reed, Moore, Sale, Altuve, Moustakas, Stanton, Turner, Lowry, and more. Chasing History, we had Hank Aaron, McCovey, Wilson, Jackie Robinson, Musial, Koufax, Killebrew, Yount, Schmidt, Thomas, Konerko, Dickey, Carew, Henderson, Berkman, Burley, Tomei, and Berra. And then going into our 1972 minis, we had Yu Darvish, Reddick, Konerko, Ugla, Harper, Clemente, Harper, Hernandez, Cueto, Konerko, Gonzalez, Kemp, Bauer, Posey, Sale, Jones, Rasmus, and another King Felix. Then moving into our parallels here, we had our Green Shimmer Sparkle. We had Matt Kemp, Colvin, Carpenter, Johnson, Davis, Contreras, Murphy, Duda, Maxwell, Bass, and Orioles. Then moving into our Topps Chrome die-cut refractors, we had a Yu Darvish, Josh Hamilton, Mike Schmidt, another Darvish, Paul Molitor, and a nice Ken Griffey Jr. for the Seattle Mariners. Then moving into some of our better cards here, we had two of the 2013 Topps Mike Trout. That is his rookie cup cards. We had two of those. And some of our lowest numbered parallel was this Michael Saunders pink parallel. That is number 36 out of 50. And moving along to our hits, we had a Barry Zito relic there, Cy Young Award winner. And then we also had an autograph of Chris Sale. So thanks again to everyone who bought into this break, and I'll see you in the next one.